Hello everyone, in this lecture we will be learning about while, which is used to repeat sequence of statements based on some condition. Syntax of while condition colon code to be executed when condition is true. First it checks the condition. If it is true, the code inside it will be executed. Again it checks the condition. If it is true, the code inside it will be executed. Again it checks the condition. If it is true, the code inside it will be executed until the condition is false. While is useful when we don't know how many times to repeat. Now we'll see some examples of while. Open colab.research.google.com. Suppose we will write a sample program to print 5 numbers using while loop. We will take a num equal to 1. Now we'll write while loop while num is less than or equal to 5. Print num and increment num by 1. Num equal to num plus 1. After this code, we will print end of the loop. Now we'll run this code. Num equal to 1. 1 is less than or equal to 5. It is true. It prints 1. Increments num by 1. 2. 2 less than or equal to 5. It is true. Prints 2. Num will be incremented by 1. It is 3. 3 is less than or equal to 5. It is true. It prints 3. Num increments by 1, which is 4. 4 less than or equal to 5. It is true. It prints 4. Num will be incremented by 1. It is 5. 5 is less than or equal to 5. It is true. It prints 5. Num will be incremented by 1, which is 6. 6 is less than or equal to 5. It is false. It will come out of the loop and prints end of the loop. Let us take another example of counting how many digits in a given number. Example, the number of digits in 76 is 2. The number of digits in 456 is 3. Now we'll write a code. First we will take input from the user. Number equal to input. Enter a number. We should convert this value to integer, as we know that by default input returns string. Int of as the value needs to be modified in loop, we are using t. T equal to number. To track the number of digits, we are using count. Count, which is 0. Now we'll write while loop. While t isn't equal to 0, we'll increment count by 1. Count equal to count plus 1 to count the digits in the number. Do a integer division to discard the digit. T equal to t integer division 10. After that, we will print the number of digits comma count. Now we'll run this code. I will give here 96. The number of digits are 2. We'll run this code again. We'll give here 5006. The number of digits is 4. Now we'll take another example of Collatz conjecture. Start with any positive number. If it is even, the next number, otherwise 3 into number plus 1. You will always eventually reach the number 1. Example 6. 6 is a even number. Divide by 2, 3. 3 is not a even number. 3 into 3 plus 1. 10. 10 is a even number. Divided by 2. 5. 5 is not a even number. 5 into 3 plus 1. 16. 16 is a even number. Divided by 2. 8. 8 is a even number. Divided by 2. 4. 4 is a even number. Divided by 2. Divide 2. 2 is even number. Divided by 2. 1. Now we'll write a code to find whether it stands for Collatz conjecture or not. We'll take an input number equal to input enter a number. Now we'll change this value to int, as we know that by default it returns string int of. While number not equal to 1, if number mod 2 equal to 0, number equal to number integer division by 2. If else number equal to number into 3 plus 1. If we want to print the steps, we should write print number. After the end of the loop, print it stands for Collatz conjecture. Now we'll run this code. I will give here 6. You can see the same numbers here too. We'll give another number 13. 13 is an odd number. 13 is not an even number. Into 3 plus 1, which is 40. 40 is an even number divided by 2. 20. 20 is an even number divided by 2. 10. 10 is an even number divided by 2. 5. 5 is not an even number. Into 3 plus 1. 16. 16 is an even number divided by 2. 8. 8 is an even number divided by 2. 4. 4 is an even number divided by 2. 2. 2 is an even number divided by 2. 1. It stands for Collatz conjecture. Run this code again. You can give any bigger number also. 1, 2. I'm giving here 1, 2, 3, 4. It reaches 1. It also stands for Collatz conjecture. In fact, there is no known number which does not stand for Collatz conjecture. Thank you.